This is Michael Deodurai, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, Kanyakumari. Today we are seeing a topic about the types of soft ground. So we have the many types of soft. The first one is the running ground, then soft ground, then firm ground, then self-supporting ground. So soil classifications are based on the soft soil. So soft soil we got the different types of the running ground, then soft ground, then firm ground, then self-supporting ground. So running ground is nothing but is the dry sand, gravel, silt, etc. Then we need the soft ground is the soft earth, clay, then damp sand. Then firm ground, the firm ground is the dry earth, firm clay and cemented sand, etc. Then self-supporting ground, the sandstones, hot clay, etc. Then characteristics of soft ground is the first one is the material is excavated tools like the pick, shovel, etc. No heavy and costly equipment is required. Excavation do not require drilling and blasting, then separate immediately after excavation. The progress of the work is slow as the more precautions to the need during excavation. Then a factor reflecting the choice of the method. The first one is the size of the tunnel, then types of ground, then third one is the available equipment, then the method of sequence of excavation, then the extent of the ground support method, the method of tracking the heading. There are different operations involved in this of ground tunneling. The first one is the setting up, the second is the mining or excavation, ground support and timbering, then marking and then lining. So methods of tunneling in soft ground. The methods requires the use of timbers. The first one is the foot poling method, then middle beam method, then the Omi method, then Belgian method, then English method. So we have the other some methods or linear plate method. So we have the displays with the foot poling method. So the method of foot poling is nothing but the commonly adapted of the tunneling and running ground. So it is very old method and it is being gradually replaced by the compressed air method. This method is slow and hence used for the tunnels of the small dimensions for laying sewers, gases, pipes, etc. at the shallow depth. So is saying that this is the foot poling method of this diagrams. Then ancient method used for the running ground, then slowed these method but safe. Skilled laborers and the strict provisions required. Then the poles were inserted at the top which are supported by a vertical post. Now the excavation can be done into 4 poles, then joined to the half length of 40 cm and with inclination. So merits the use with compressed air, the used for small dimensions in running ground. Demerits the slow process used only for the small cross sections. So needle beam method, this is an economical method of tunneling. This GO method utilizes 5 to 6 meter long timber, known as needle beam, which forms the main temporary support. During the excavation, this method is suitable for the soils in which roof can be stands for a few minutes. Then merits the economical, then works alright on the brick lining, the merits. Then heavy beam published to followed by the hand, the know of the trench jacks required, difficulties in concrete lining machine. The English method, the main characteristics of this method is excavation with the full section of the tunnel, lineal starting and the alternate excavation of masonry work and excavation. This method involves the use of the lots of timber. Then Omi method, so the other one is the case method. This method was devised by the United States American Army for construction small tunnels. This method was mainly used for laying underground sewers. Then American method is used for railway for highway tunnels. Then sequence of operation, the sides of the drifts are now widened and supported on the shoulder timber and struts. The wall plates of the 5 meter length are introduced with the swinging support by or set composed of the segment sides and the benching are cleared and tunnel lining is spots. So Belgian method, it is used for a more lightly frame or hot soils. Then insert the short the side and excavate them. The shoring is removed and the space is filled with masonry. The Austrian method is also known as the sequential extension method. The linear plate method, the plates are made with flanges of angle shape on all or four sides. The plates are bolted to each other through the holes in the flange. The bolts are coarse, threaded, and quick acting. The ribs are strengthening and stiffening the linear plates. In the case, the diameter of tunnel is more than 3 meters. So shield method is used for driving a tunnel through water bearing strata. Then compressed air method. The essential principle of this method is used for compressed air and is very well suited for the soft or water bearing ground. The method consists in placing air under suitable pressure. This includes space. So compressed air portion, then permanent lining. Thank you.